so it doesn't get much more exciting than this. I'm fed up of been lighting candles with old birthday candles. She'll get a little birthday candle, light it on the stove, and then try and burn herself while she lights the big candle. So I've ordered one of these off eBay.
Oh, I'm going to like they're choosing this candle.
And it's just come. Look at that, it's a pink one.
Is it unlocked now?
It's unlocked. You've got to unlock it.
Unlock it. Oh, look at that. How exciting
fantastic.
that is.
How easy that is now.
Hey.
No running around for that silly candle.
Right,
Used to use one of these little things to light and then burn your fingers while you try and put it in the big candle. So I got one of these off eBay for, it cost about £1.28 delivered. All that hassle saved.
Well, it's our birthday now.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not my birthday today.
It was last Saturday.
Yeah. It's our another party now.
Yeah, because it's Saturday.
Party from the birthday.
Now, wow. There's a storm coming. This is the rain. Tomorrow, Monday, is going to be gale force winds apparently. 60 to 80 mile an hour winds hitting the UK, spreading up to the East Midlands. We shall see. Bricken to batter brick. Yeah, so we've got the old traditional. The old Greg's Saturday mornings wouldn't be the same. Left Shell in bed. She's been sick for the past 4 days. Jack had this flu bug, and then she got it, and then she just went like that overnight. Now I think it's migraine related. I had a bit of it last night, but I'm all right. Bounced back. So there you go. Mum and Dad are over. They're enjoying themselves. Off we go with the day. I can't believe how sunny it is. Let's go to the airport. It's the coldest it's been for a while. 8 degrees. Look, survived. You survived? No. No. Survived the lurgy. The dreaded lurgy.
See, look, these have all got PVC ones up.
New PVC doors, yeah, they have, haven't they? So we're having a new door, so we're looking at examples just before we press the button on what type. Well, we're building a house here as well, look on the end. So that's the example on the show house. The aluminium strip on the bottom.
But then I think the bit in front of it is going to be UPVC, it's going to be white, because that step's not white, is it?
Yeah, the step's not white. So when we last came around this top end, these were just being built. These were all in footings at the beginning of the year. It's springtime. Car City, look, clutter everywhere. I can't believe one's for sale. How is that happening? Can't see much, but it's a right row tonight because it's Bonfire Night, November 5th. I just thought I'd do an update because I was just looking back on last year's November 5th, which was one of the vlogs. You forget what the weather was like and stuff, and the time of year that I did what I did. I went for a walk. I thought that was January. No, it wasn't. It was November. So here's for the record. Today's November 5th, and it's the evening. It's about 7:30, and it's 7 degrees. We have a low of about 5 at night, and in the day we have a high of about 10. Windy and rainy. So there you go. Bit of a weather watch again for you. But yeah, you're going off all night tonight. I don't think we'll be going to any do's at the weekend, but that's touch base. That's November 5th done. So the neighbours have got some good fireworks. thought I'd do another quick update. That was last night, that was Friday. Tonight is November, no it's not November 5th, tonight is the last Saturday for the Bonfire Night celebration. So Bonfire Night was this week, Tuesday, so tonight's the last night really for celebration. In fact, there has been a lot of activities, not a lot going on now compared to what was first. So what I was just filming, what you saw just now was last night with the neighbours' fireworks, which were quite good. This time last year, I look back, we went to the main display at Glebe and took Nicola and the girls. I can't believe that's a year ago already. But anyway, I switched the camera on because Jack's gone to a firework display tonight at Arnsby. He's out all night, but whenever he goes out he always leaves his room because he spends of an evening he's in there studying all night most of the time, and then on a Saturday he uses that for catch up on any homework studying he's got, and then that goes through to the evening, and then when he goes out he's got something, a gig or something, an event, a venue, he goes out and he leaves it all. And this is how Jack lives. Shirt. Oh, wait for it, wait for it. Gone. Makes you think he's a proper stoody, doesn't it? Look, bit of guitar in case I need that. Look all the clutter along there, but this is the bit that makes me laugh. It's like a bomb's hit it all of a sudden, like he's had to go out, it's been an emergency. And his working's out. You can just about see that, makes no sense to me at all. And that looks like something electrical, it is. This is something electrical that he's doing. These notes. So yeah, I always some more down here. What this is, oh these look like formulas or something. So I always say it's like Close Encounters. You ever seen that bit in Close Encounters when I think was it a ship? Yeah, a huge ship came over and there's a house in the middle of a field. Then it's like everyone's just ran and dashed, and the place is just left. So we call it when it's like this Close Encounters because that's what it looks like. So yeah, the life of Jack. Quick side note, what has been left out of there, which you normally find, is a couple of glasses and a plate, and sometimes even the breakfast pots from the morning. Then something totally random, I'm on a walk again. Getting over a bit of a cold, that's why I've got a bit of a husky voice now. And yeah, I've not been out for ages on this walk, but it's such a nice morning. We've had so much rain, which was typical of this time last year, and that I thought the sun came out and the temperatures have risen. It's around about 10 degrees today, it's been a lot lower, so I thought I have the urge to walk and clear my head. I think they've resurfaced this road, I don't know why. Yeah, it really is nice now. It's just coming up for 10 AM. Yes, I've not had a lot to film recently. There's nothing really any different from the normal routine. Jack started doing karate twice a week, so I'm taking him there like Monday, Wednesdays, because he wants to get his black belt in, along with everything else. Never known a kid do so much at once. So he does that Monday, Wednesdays, and if that doesn't pull off, then he'll ditch his youth club on the Friday and use that purely to another karate session. And he's got a couple of more gigs coming up with his band. So yeah, all in all, it's a lot happening, so I'll film bits of that as we go along. No, there's no dog. There is actually in the distance, you can just hear it. Chased by a wasp now. Oh, wasps around at this time of year, flipping out, middle of November. Go away. Get a bit docile this time of year. Well, it's such a nice day, mid-November now, so later on the day you just see me. Thought I'd come to the airport, have a bit of a lunch. It's really nice. And there's a big turboprop plane that's just landed. I don't know what sort it is, but look at that. I'll try and zoom in, you can't see it that well, but it's a single prop passenger plane. Really big for manoeuvring around here. just about to see it there, but yeah, it's a big one. I've never seen that down here before. These helicopters out, getting really close. What he's looking for, I'm sure. Look at that. Following someone, but it's no one come down here yet. It's gone now. Must have found what they were looking for. So what I remember, quick update, university. Star glasses. Yeah, Jack's at Loughborough College, or is it uni today? Which must be, it's one or the other anyway. They're doing the maths challenge, a UK maths challenge, so there's 2 people from each school throughout the UK which are going there to do like a university challenge sort of thing, but for maths he's one of the chosen ones out of his year. There's 2 people in his year, well there's a year below, but anyway there's 2 people in his year. He's one of the selected along with someone else, Jonathan I think, who is as good as Jack, if not slightly better, which is difficult to believe when it comes to maths, but there is someone slightly better than Jack. So yeah, that's where he is today, and I'm sure he'll do well. He's certainly up for it. He's not going to be back till 8. I think he said he'll be back for 6. He's supposed to be doing karate tonight. It's a Wednesday. Can't see that happening. Anyway, we'll see. I'm just doing that and I didn't press the record button. I hate it when that happens. I'm just saying we're off to another gig tonight of Jack's, one of the pubs in Braunston. So yeah, that's where we're off now. So let's get going because he's late already.
If I'm to say you won't make it, who am I to talk? Who's to say that you lights will guide you home, and they guide your bones, and I will try to fix you.